So I wanted to update you on how the garden is growing. We've got this native spiderwort right here. It pops up every year. I don't plant it. In fact, I try and get rid of a lot of it, but it's still here. So great plant. Pollinators love it. Pretty, but you know, can be a lot. And then over here, got this orange tree. It's covered in blooms, so it's happier than it was, but I still need to work on it. And in growing in it is this tomato plant. It's using it as a trellis. So here it is branching out. It's a big bush over here, which is great because my little helper loves to eat all the tomatoes. And they're this rich, yes you, they're this rich black right now when they're not ripe. And I just noticed that there is a ripe one right here. And I'll probably feed it to him. He loves them. It does have some worm damage, but I really haven't seen any worms, so as you can see, the rest of it still looks good. So I'm letting the wasp take care of the worms for me. If it goes crazy, I'll start picking them off, but this is fine. This is how biodiversity works, is some of them are there, brings in the pests to, or brings in the predators to eat them, like the wasp, and it's great. Here I've got some bananas growing, some annuals, got a little ground cherry right here. That's really exciting because those I hope are going to take off in the yard. They're really yummy. This is the native variety. Actually just saw it today in a neighbor's yard, so it should be suited for this area really well. Over here, mulberry tree that I trimmed back is coming back like crazy, but still no mulberries on this Pakistani. Not cool. And here's some more Everglades tomatoes. These look really good. And we'll be eating them in just a few minutes. Alright, have a great day gardening, guys.